Ratchet Tarot. All right, let's see what we get for this week. Eight of Swords reversed. Eight of Wands reversed. And the Lovers reversed. Feeling trapped? Then continue to feel trapped. With this self-pitying, Pisces full moon, this energy is going to assist you in having even more negative self-talk and having even more hesitation due to self-limiting beliefs about your goals and your future. So keep up the good work. I believe in you. Take the leap of faith and jump. Remember the story of the turtle and the hare, or the tortoise in the hare? Well, be the hare and don't care and make turtle soup with the tortoise, all right? Do what you need to do to go for your goals. Fuck the consequences, just do it. Whoever said that love was a battlefield was completely and utterly correct. Yes, remain tóxica and tóxico. Go through your man's phone, go through your lady's phone. Ask them a million questions about where they've been. You know what is actually very, very, I would say, not common in my relationship, but common in my relationship is sniffing each other. Sniff the shit out of them and ask them where they've been. I promise they will never leave you. That's all I have for you. Leave me alone. Remember, stay safe and stay ratchet.